24horas.com, su reportaje está continuando aquí por Las Vegas, na onda com IMEX Conference no lugar, uma conferência anual na onda com pessoas na companhia, na que atras na grupo na grande para diferentes destinações, da topa que destinação naturalmente Aruba também está presente aqui. Dia o hotelnan que tem uma demanda grande para Aruba Renaissance Wind Creek Hotel. No caso aqui nós conversamos com Janien Huistra, que está na cabeça do departamento de mercadeo e venda, que a conversar com diferentes pessoas, tanto pessoas que já firma acaba, como também pessoas que têm potencial para firma para ser no grupo Aruba, e ela conta-nos sua impressão de prome dia de IMEX Conference.
It was a really productive first day. Compared to last year, there was a lot of more interest for the destination, and I think in general at the show. There was a lot of interest in the property. We're here to not just create awareness, but also to generate a lot of leads. At the end of the day, that's why we're here, and I think it was a very fruitful first day. Of course, we mentioned that, and it's not just the renovation of the ballroom, but also the renovation of the rooms at the Renaissance Ocean Suites. And of course, you know, the popularity of Renaissance Island is really what sets us apart. And because of social media, that has a huge increase in awareness. So yeah, we're doing really well. And it was, you know, this show is really good to meet a lot of meeting planners. You have one-on-one meetings during the day. So yeah, it's very productive, and it's a good show to be at. Yeah, but you know, at the end of the day, you're always looking for groups that make sense for your property based on size, based on length of stay, period of the year. And the partnership with Aruba Convention Bureau is also crucial in that. I mean, they're a great supporter. So yeah, it's a combination of. And to be here as Aruba and be together with all the nice properties in Aruba, it's a good presence as a destination. You know, of course, we build on what Aruba as a destination launched is the Aruba effect. At the end of the day, I think Aruba's hospitality and the people are making the difference. And of course, as a hotel, you always try to give it your identity and the way you differentiate yourself. But Aruba comes first, and then it's your property. So it's a good combination, and we build on the Aruba effect because at the end of the day, that does make the difference.